This vacuum pump set delivers steady suction performance suitable for automotive air conditioning and home refrigeration work, with a capacity that feels well matched to typical repair tasks. The included manifold gauge feels solid in hand, offers clear pressure readings, and is protected by a rugged outer covering that helps it survive job site abuse. Color-coded hoses are reinforced, resist kinking, and are built to handle the higher pressures found in modern refrigerant systems without feeling flimsy. Thoughtful touches like the visible oil window, clear level markings, and effective heat dissipation make routine maintenance straightforward and keep the pump running smoothly on longer pulls. The kit comes with adapters, couplers, and a carry bag that together create a genuinely ready-to-use package for servicing multiple common refrigerant types. Overall build quality inspires confidence, with factory testing and leak checking procedures reflected in a pump that starts up cleanly and holds vacuum reliably when connections are tight.